Now here we are going to see the demo of cervical cautery, which can be called as like thermal cautery, heat cautery. Now we are seeing the thermal cautery. Here is the main machine which is into the Teflon box. Here are the accessories which have been used into the machine. In that you will get 3 electrodes. The mains cord and the probe. This can be called as a pistol handle also. In this Teflon box you will be getting a thermal cautery. There will be a cervical cautery, the mains cord and the 3 electrodes. In that you will be getting a loop electrode, a straight and a curve electrode. The electrodes will be the straight electrode, there will be a loop and a curve loop. The machine is built into the metal body with a high quality of coating, which is the heat resistance. There is a intensity power knob from 1, 2 and 3 intensity. Here you have to connect the probe. The machine behind portion there is a on off switch. Here you have to insert the mains cord. The mains cord which is given with the machine, you have to insert it here at this port. You have to put on the machine. This is off. You have to put on the machine. This is the probe and this is the connector with the female holes. You have to connect it exactly here where the port is given. Tight the probe properly. In the probe you will be getting 2 holes here, and the male pin you have to insert it here into the probe, hand probe, which is the pistol handle, like this. And in this probe you will be getting a button here. When you press this button, this electrode will get red hit. Now here we are putting on the machine. Machine is on now. Now we are going to check the machine. This is a polythene plastic. On this we are going to check the machine, the heat of that machine, the probe, what the heat is coming from the electrode, that we are going to check. Now we are checking the machine. Here we are pressing the pistol handle button, and now we see the electrode which has been checked on the polythene bag. We have to increase the intensity. We are going it on the 1. On pressing the button, the heat is coming from the electrode. Now we will go on the second intensity. Now on the third. So this is how the electrode will be getting red hit, and you can use it accordingly. This can be even used for the circumcision, for the gynec purpose,